Good morning, students. So, how are you all? I hope you all are well. So, our chapter number 4 division is going on. In my previous video, we have done Let's Try 5 from your course book. So, in today's video, we are going to do Let's Try 6 from your course book. So, this is your course book. Yes. And I am doing page number 73. Page number 73. And let's try 6 we are going to do here. So first let's read the instructions carefully. Yes, what they have given us here. Choose the correct operation and match the following. So they have given us few word problems here and they have given us few symbols here, plus, minus, division and multiplication symbol. So we have to see, we have to read the problem carefully and then we have to match that which operation we will follow in this problem. Is it a plus, is it subtraction, is it multiplication or division? So we have to match it with the correct symbol. Okay, so there are total 8 questions are there. So let's start first. So first problem I am doing here. So let's see what they have given in first problem. No need to do these problems in your notebook, beta. Okay, I am just explaining why which sign we will use and why we are using that sign. So that's why I am explaining on the board. What you have to do, you have to just match it. If in this we are using plus, so just match it with the plus symbol only. Okay, you have to draw a line to match with the correct symbol. No need to do it in notebook. Okay, no one will write these problems in notebook, but I am explaining why we are using addition here, why we are using subtraction in this problem. Okay, so let's start from the first one. So what is our first problem? I am reading from my book. So let's see our first problem. What is our first problem here? So first problem, in a basketball game, the Tigers beat the Roggers by 5 baskets. Tiger beats the Roggers means Tiger was the winner. Two teams were there. Which team? I am writing here. Tigers team and the Roggers team. Two teams were there in a basketball. Yes, it's a basketball game and two teams are there. So Tiger beat the Roggers by 5 baskets. Means Tiger win by 5 baskets. In a basketball means with 5 goals the Tigers win. This win by 5 baskets. And they have given the Roggers final score was 35 baskets. What was the Roggers score? The Roggers score is equal to how much it was? 35 baskets. Baskets means the score is there. Okay. So Tiger win by 5 baskets and the Roggers score by 35 baskets. Yes, means what was the Roggers score? The Roggers, two teams are there in a basketball. It's a basketball game. It's a basketball game. Yes. And two teams are there, Tiger team and Roggers team. And they have mentioned then the Tigers beat the Roggers. Tiger beats the Roggers means the Tiger is the winner team here. Yes, the Tigers win by 5 baskets, or like cricket you can say the Tigers win by 5 run. Okay. So here Tigers win by 5 baskets. And they have given us the score of Roggers. The Roggers score is 35 baskets. Now they are asking what was the Tiger score. So what will be the Tiger score? Roggers scores plus 5 basket. Yes, because Tiger beat the Roggers by 5 runs. And the Roggers score was 35 and Tigers get more than Rogger, and how many more than? 5 more than. So it means which operation we will use here? Plus operation. So you have to match it with the plus. The first one you have to match it with the plus operation. In first you have to match it with the which operation? Plus operation. Clear? Let's see the second one. So let's read the next problem. Next problem is 8,436 people applied for ticket to see TV show. 750 people did not receive tickets. How many will able to watch the TV show? So what they have given us, one TV show is there, and for that to watch that TV show, total people 8,436 applied for ticket. Yes, to watch a TV show, or you can say for a movie. One movie is there. Yes. So how many people applied for ticket? Total people applied 8,436 applied for that movie, or you can say TV show, but did not receive tickets. But these people did not receive tickets. Now they are asking, watch the TV show. How many people watched the TV show? Total people applied for ticket this much, and this much people did not get the ticket. So how many people? The rest people have watched the TV show. So what we have to do here? Subtraction. So in second question you have to match it with the which operation? Subtraction. Okay, because total people this much and did not receive ticket 750. So we will remove, if we will remove 750 from it, so rest people watch the TV show there. Yes, clear? So in question number 2 you have to match it with the subtraction symbol. Let's read the question number 3. A novelist writes 10 pages of book in a day. How many pages will he write in 12 days? So one novelist is there who write novels. Okay, that is called novelist. Write 10 pages of book in a day. In one day, how many pages he has written? 10 pages. Yes, in one day he has written 10 pages. Now they are asking how many pages will he write in 12 days. So in 12 days how many pages he will write? So 10 multiplied by 12. For 1 they have given and they are asking for the more thing. For 12 days. So we will multiply it. So it means the question number 3, which sign we will use? Which operation we will use here? Multiplication. Okay, in question number 3 we'll use multiplication operation. So let's see the next one. So question number 4 I'm reading. A sofa cost 15,000 and a table cost 4,625. How much more is the sofa cost than that of the table? So what they have given, the cost of sofa is 15,000. The cost of table is 4,625, and what they are asking, how much more sofa cost? What is the means? The sofa's cost is more if we will compare them. So how much more? How much more? So what we need to do here? We need to do subtraction. Yes, if we will subtract, then we can identify how much the more cost of sofa compared to table. So in question number 4 what we will do? Which operation we will use? Subtraction. Okay, in question number 4 we will use subtraction symbol. So let's see the next question. Question number 5. A ship sailed 625 km to port A and then 523 km to port B. What is the total distance travelled by the ship? So one ship is there and two port is there, port A and port B. Yes, one ship is there and two port they have given us, port A and port B. And they are saying the ship sailed till port A. What is the distance he covered? 625 km. He sailed till port A 625 km. After A, again he sailed the ship, and how many kilometers he covered till port B? 523 km. Now they are asking the total travel or total sailed by a ship. So how what we will do? 625 plus 523. Clear? So in which question number 5, what we have to do? Which operation we will use here? Plus. Okay, in question number 5, we have to use plus operation. See the next question, question number 6. A teacher spends 6 minutes to mark each story. Each story means for one story, how many minutes she is taking? 6 minutes she is taking to mark one story. How long would it take to mark 8 such stories? So let's see here. A teacher spent time for one storybook. For one storybook. A storybook they have given, or each storybook means one storybook. Okay. So she is taking for one storybook, she is taking 6 minutes. So for 8 storybooks, how many minutes it will take? For one they have given and they are asking for more. The similar thing they are asking for more. So that time we have to do multiplication. So in question number 6, what we will do? We'll use multiplication operation. Clear? So let's see the next question. So let's read the question number 7. Raju collected 16 different butterflies and he shared them equally with Sanjay, Prashant, and how many does each get? So in this question, 3 persons are there. Raju, Sanjay and Prashant. Yes, 3 persons are there. Raju, Sanjay and Prashant. Now Raju has collected 16 butterflies. How many total butterflies Raju collected? 16. And he shared, not distributed. Distributed means he has distributed these 16 to only these 2 persons. But in the book they have written Raju share. Raju share means he is also having few butterflies. So Raju share equally butterflies with Sanjay and Prashant. So now 16 butterflies are there and we have to divide these 16 butterflies into Raju, Sanjay and Prashant. Means 1, 2, 3. Total 3 persons. So 16 butterfly we have to divide in 3 persons equally. So what we will do here? Division. Okay. So in question number 7, what we will do? Division. Okay. So match it with the division symbol. So let's see the next problem. Let's see the last one. Read it. Ritu bought 12 postcards that cost 48 rupees in all. How much did each postcard cost? So what they have given, the cost of 12 postcard is 48 rupees. The cost of 12 postcard is 48 and now they are asking the cost for one postcard. So for more they have given and they are asking for one. So it means what we have to do? Division here. Okay. So one more thing I want to tell. See here, they have given us more 12 postcard and they are asking for one postcard. So that time we have to do division. But if in reverse, if one postcard is 12 rupees, so what is the cost of 12? So let's take another digit so it will be clear. One postcard is 48 rupees. So what is the cost of 12 postcard? This time what we will do? Multiplication. So now see the difference in this and this. Here they have given us more 12 postcard rate and they are asking for one postcard. So it means we have to do division. But here if in opposite, if they have given anything, the cost of the quantity, the cost, anything they have given us for one thing, one postcard is 48 rupees and they are asking for more here. Now 12 postcards. So more means we have to do multiplication. So now clear where we will use division and where we will use multiplication. So in question number 8, what we will use? We'll use division because they have given the cost of 12 postcard and they are asking for 1. Yes. So in 12, with which operation we will use here? We'll use division operation. Now it is clear to you all? Yes. So same time problem you have in practice book also. Practice book My Turn 6. The same thing you have to do here. Yes. So this one you have to do it on your own. Okay, if still you are facing any problem, please let me know. I will solve it during the doubt session. Okay, so this is the homework for you all. For today's homework, let's try 6 and my turn 6. Yes, let's try 6. I have explained on the board, and my turn 6 you have to do it on your own. Both are the same question. See here, the same thing you have to do here. Okay, if you have any doubt, please call me and you can contact me. Feel free to contact me. So bye bye to you all. Take care yourself.